Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be making an angel hair pasta with creamy mushroom sauce, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. So here I have some flour, I have some oil, parsley, angel hair pasta, I have baby Bello mushrooms, whole milk, some garlic, butter, and Romano Parmesan cheese. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is I'm going to put my flames on to a medium, and I'm going to add my water. This is for our angel hair pasta, okay? I'm also going to add some butter and a little bit of salt. I will have the ingredients in my description below. So what we're going to do is just let this water come to a boil before adding our pasta, okay? Okay guys, now that my water is boiling, I'm going to come and start adding my angel hair pasta. You can use whichever pasta you prefer. You don't have to use the angel hair. I just like thin noodles. And trust me, it's really good. So I'm just going to add it. And we're going to cook this like 4 to 5 minutes, okay? I'm just going to hold it gently so it can just start going down. Just like that, okay? So we're going to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. While we're cooking this, we're going to jump to the next step. Okay guys, so while the pasta is cooking, we're going to come and we're going to start cutting up our mushrooms, okay? So, and again, I will have all the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. And if you like this video so far, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Okay, so what I'm going to do with my mushrooms is slice them like this. You see that? And then I'm just going to slice through the middle. So when you cook these, they kind of shrivel a little, so you don't want to make it too tiny because then it's going to disappear. Okay, so this is the stem. You're going to cut the stem like that as well. And then, again, like this. So you want them to look like this. Okay, so I'm going to do that to my whole pack and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that my mushrooms are nice and cut up, we're going to turn off our pasta and we're going to start the next step. Okay guys, so now I'm going to turn on my flames to a medium low, and I'm going to add my oil, and we're going to let this get hot for a few seconds. Okay guys, now that my oil is hot, I'm going to add my mushrooms, and we're going to cook this for a few minutes until it's nice and golden brown. You see how it's starting to turn golden brown? And it's starting to shrivel a little. That's what we want. So we're going to leave it for maybe 1 more minute. Okay? Okay guys, so now that my mushrooms is done, what I'm going to come and do is put my flames on low. And I'm going to remove the mushrooms into another plate. Okay? Okay guys, so now what I'm going to come and do is add butter. Just like this. Let it melt. Once it melts, we're gonna add our flour. Okay. Now that my butter is melted, I'm gonna come and add my flour. And we're gonna cook it with the butter, okay? Just wanna make sure that it's well mixed. Just like this. Okay. Now I'm going to come and add my milk. And blend everything together so it comes out nice and smooth. Okay guys, so now that everything is nice and blended, I'm going to come and add my garlic. And we're gonna blend that into the mixture as well. I'm also gonna add my parsley. And we're gonna mix that. Okay guys, so once you see that it's coming to a boil, we're gonna come and add our cheese. If it wanna come out. There we go. So now I'm gonna mix this. Just like this. And it smells so good. You see how it's already starting to thicken up? That's what you want. Okay? And you can always taste. Make sure the seasoning is right for you. You see how it's thickening up? Guys, so once you see that it's thickened up, we're going to put it very low. The lowest you can put. Okay? And we're going to come and we're going to re-add our mushrooms. Just like that. Okay? And we're just going to mix that into the mixture. Oh my god, look at that. I'm sorry, I love food. And I love to share my recipes with everyone. Okay? So now, what we're going to do is we're going to add our pasta to this. Okay guys, so now we're going to add our pasta little by little. Okay? And this is so good. This is better than Olive Garden. I don't want to brag. I need y'all to try it to let me know. So we're just going to mix it. Just like that. Okay? Get as much pasta you want, as little as you want. Okay? You just want to make sure everything is well incorporated. Just like that. And guys, this is done. This is ready to serve. You can serve it and eat it like this if you like, or you can serve it with some chicken on the side. So I just want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will have the ingredients and the amount that I'm using in my description below. And like always, enjoy and have a blessed day.